Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy and I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. I'm so excited. I'm going to take my glasses off. Also, I did want to say I look a little bit of a hot mess. I've been shopping today. I've been getting some stuff for gardening and then some stuff that I've been needing around the house. My background obviously is still a work in progress, kind of like how I keep saying, but we will get there. I have a few things coming from online that I still want to hang up and stuff, so don't mind it. This plant right here, I think I need to lower it and all that. Anyway, so today I'm so excited. I have another Etsy shop, a small business that I wanted to support. She sells bath products and the name is Bubble Luxury, and I will have her Etsy linked down below for sure for you guys, so you can go check her out. Now, I do a lot of like searching on Etsy. Sorry, this hair. Ugh. I do a lot of searching on Etsy to kind of see different like smaller business and like what they sell and stuff like that. A lot of bath companies, I feel like some cute some cute bath bombs I come across are ones from like out of the country, and shipping is just insane. But I found her and I'm so excited. So if you're curious on what I got, I always make sure you can't see my address, then just keep watching.
I gave you my heart.
Okay, so I did ask her if she could put in a little letter to kind of tell me about her business, just because I feel like it's so awesome to be able to share with you guys. So I'm going to read what she wrote. She said, "Hi Kaitlyn, thank you so much for your order and your support of my small business. I appreciate it more than you know. You asked for a little history on my business, so here you go. I've always been a very DIY type of person and thoroughly enjoyed creating. I love refinishing furniture, making handmade items for around the house, sewing, gardening, and anything where you can let your imagination run wild. I love running wild. In 2016, I became fascinated with bath bombs and shower steamers and started looking up how to make them. I started working on recipes, and my family were my honest testers. This paper already smells good, and I know it's because of what's in there. In January 2017, I felt confident enough in my products that I decided to give an Etsy shop a try. I can't believe it's been 3 years already. I look back on my old photos from when I first started, and a part of me cringes at the amateur look, but hey, we all start somewhere, just like makeup, you know? I love making products that my friends and customers enjoy. I love hearing about how my customers use the products and how they have helped them or their loved ones. It brings so much joy to my heart knowing that I can help make someone's day a little brighter in this crazy world. I started with bath bombs and shower steamers, and now it's so much more. This past month has been booming for Bubble Luxury, and I owe it all to my followers and loyal customers. With the COVID-19 pandemic happening and many people under quarantine, people can get lonely. During these times when we can't be around others, we have to realize that self-care is so important, which I agree, for not only your physical health, but for your mental as well. Mental health during this time of sickness and quarantine can sometimes be overlooked, but I feel like it's more important than ever to sit back, review your thoughts, dial in with your feelings, and really think about how it's going. I appreciate you reaching out to me. I hope you are staying healthy, happy, and safe. I hope you enjoy every product, and that'll bring a smile to your face. Thank you again for your support. Best wishes." See, she's so nice, and her name is Mary, and it comes with a little invoice on here of everything I got. Now, as you can see, I opened this box already. I grabbed I grabbed two products out of it because I just couldn't wait. Then I told myself I had to wait to do this on camera for you guys. So I'm going to show you the first bubble. Why can't I say bubble? The first bath bomb that I got. And this one was in the scent Summer Garden Bath Bomb. Now, this is what it looks like here. It's gorgeous. It's like a bright pink, and it has the purple and silver like shimmer across it. Hunter was in love with this bath bomb. I wanted him to, he's having a rough day that day, so I wanted to give him a bath bomb to try out. So here's a little clip for that.
Ooh,
That's so pretty.
Bubba, Bubba.
Is that awesome? So as you can see, Hunter was like moving the water and swimming around. He was enjoying that bath bomb so much. He loves getting a hold of it and running it underneath the bath water. I love the color that bath bomb turns the water. It turned it to like a baby pink. And I love how there was some bubble to it. Hunter loved that. The smell was incredible. There was no staining on my bathtub either. And I just love it. Now, right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the lotion that I opened up. Now, this lotion that I opened up it's the Whipped Body Butter. And this one is in the size 4 ounces, and it's in honey and shea. Now, I want to give a little review on this right here. This stuff is amazing. If you don't really like kind of like since it has coconut oil, it definitely feels like when you rub it onto your skin and then it kind of dries down, you do have more of that coconut oily feel, but you don't feel super oily. I think within a matter of 10 to 15 minutes, it really like soaks into your skin, and I love it. Honestly, I've used it for like 2 or 3 days now on my arms, after I shower, even after I shaved my legs. This is going to be a new favorite of mine, and there are so many benefits to coconut oil, so I'm so excited to continue to use this. Now, like I said, it's in honey and shea, and when I put it on for the first time, I didn't really even realize, like I was trying to think of what it smelled like, and then it's funny that I just read it said honey and shea, because when I sat down, I was like, this straight up smells like honey, and it smells amazing, so I love that. So now we're going to go ahead and pop in and see what else is in here. So this right here, it smells so good. This is a bubble bar, which I'm very excited about. This is the As If bubble bar, which I freaking love. As If, that's like totally 90s. I was born in 1990, so super, super cute. So excited to use this. Stay tuned because I'm going to be doing demos and stuff on these on my Instagram, so definitely follow me on Instagram. I have it linked down below. Next up, so cute. This looks like an ice cream cone, and these are Blueberry Blast Moisturizing Bath Truffles. Now, I'm pretty sure you just put this in your bath, or you can crumble it underneath the bath. It's not like a bath bomb, or it's not like a bubble bar, but it's more of like it could be like a bath bomb, but it's more of like a bubble, like not a bubble, a moisturizing kind of drop-in thing, you know? So I'm excited about that. I just love the colors on this, and it smells amazing too. Whew, gotta sneeze, sorry. What else saying? She put packing peanuts in there, so it was shipped very well. So this is super cute. I do see a little crack in this, like a few cracks, but it's totally fine. I know that does happen sometimes during shipping. This right here is a Sunbeam bath bomb, and I didn't tell you guys her prices are so reasonable. Cannot wait to use this one. It looks like a little cloud. Adorable. Then next up is this bath bomb right here, which says, this is a Warm Summer Nights bath bomb. Holy crap. This is going, I can't even tell you guys. It has kind of like a manly scent, but a very like, oh my god. This is like a glass of wine. You're wanting to like relax. Obviously, when you take a bath, you want to relax. But this right here, I can't even explain it to you guys. Oh, that smells so good. So freaking good. Alright, what's next? Ooh! I'm so excited for this one. This right here is a I cannot talk today, sorry. This is a mermaid bubble bar. This is freaking stunning. Ooh. That smells good. There's so many smells going on now right here that I can't really smell this one too much. I'm wondering kind of what the smell is, but look at this one. It's got glitter in it. So pretty. Love it. love how bright she does her bubble bars. Like, how cute are those? So cute. This right here, ooh, I am excited about this. This is a Emerald Isle bath bomb. I think that's how you say it. And look how pretty that is. I don't think I've ever had a bath bomb like this. I love the glitter on top. So pretty. Like I said, you will see a demo of these on my Instagram for sure. I think that is everything that I got from her. It sure is. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you want, let me know down below if you want me to actually put some of these demos up on my YouTube channel, because I do that. Maybe I will do that. Maybe I'll post it on my Instagram and I'll post it here on my YouTube, just because I know some people on my YouTube do not follow me on Instagram. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love bath products and I'm so excited to try these out. I just love how bright and colorful they are, and I need to add to my bath bomb and bubble bar collection. But these will probably be used up very, very fast. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much. I'm pretty sure it's Mary. I'm so bad with names. Sorry. Thank you so much, Mary. I so appreciate you. You guys definitely go check her out. Like I said, she is such a reasonable priced. She's so sweet, and she has a range of products that you you're able to try out. So yeah, love you guys. Thank you so much. Let me know down below any videos that you would like to see, and I will see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.